My name is Elizabeth Bay, and I have been a HR and business consultant for more than 10 years supporting the financial sector. And now for the past 3 years, I have been focusing on the social care sector, and I'm the founder of Tresacare. Tresacare is a social enterprise supporting care workers. Our vision is that care workers do fundamentally important work, and we want to support them to continue doing this work and avoid burnout. The pandemic was a time that was very disrupting for many people, and I think a lot of us during that time questioned life and work and why work. And because I had a life shock, so I had a suspected brain tumor, and since then I have multiple hidden disabilities myself, and I have ongoing health conditions. So during that time I needed care, and we realized during the pandemic that care workers do such important work. We were doing like Clap for Carers initiatives, and then also I have volunteered in a care home, in a dementia care home, as well as in a day center supporting adults with disabilities. So through those experiences, I saw that care workers are so passionate about the work that they do, and it is a true vocation, and there's a growing demand because there's a growing aging population, more people are growing older, there's a chronic shortage of care workers. So, and care workers who love their jobs can't do their jobs because they get burnout. So I wanted to come, and I see it as a HR problem. And because of my previous background as a HR professional, I wanted to see how we can support the care sector and care workers. In the care sector, the employee turnover rate is very high, so 3 out of 10 care workers leave within the first year, and with new joiners, as high as 50% of them leave for certain care organizations. So we're here to understand why employees are leaving, and we've interviewed care workers as well as care providers to understand more about this problem. And through that, we have put together our initiatives such as the well-being program and soft skills training to support care workers so that we can professionalize the care industry. We co-produce all our initiatives and projects because we're focused on the mission and the problem that we're seeking to solve. How do we support care workers? How do we improve retention rates in the industry? How do we avoid burnout? And so the first program that we put together was a well-being program, and that included soft skills training as well. And we identified that some of the key skills that care workers and as care providers really wanted is communication skills and other soft skills. And that's why we're working with Lakefield to deliver these courses and training together. In March 2023, Lakefield helped to deliver a workshop, an in-person workshop for care workers in North East London. So we delivered this workshop for 30 care workers who attended in person for 1.5 hour training workshop around communication skills and people management. So right now, of the success of that first pilot program that we worked together on, we're going to be delivering other courses in September. And so Lakefield has been delivering courses for more than 60 years. So Tresacare is leaning on the expertise that Lakefield provides, and we're working together to collaborate and put together and create courses specifically for the social care sector, and also identifying what care workers and care providers will find most useful. So the hospitality sector and the care sector has a lot of crossover and similarities. In the hospitality sector, you're supporting your clients in restaurants and hotels. And in the care sector, we're also supporting our clients in individuals, just that it happens in different settings, and it's usually individuals who are vulnerable, either someone with a disability, illnesses, or elderly, and it happens in their own homes or in care homes or in supported living accommodation. So we want to ensure that that same level of professional care that the client would receive in a restaurant and a hotel is also brought to these care settings as well.